YouTube friends, Annie SEO. Welcome back to Auntie A's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different ways to serve and prepare smoked salmon. I love eating smoked salmon, and I wanted to get this video out to you now so that you could then prepare and make this for your family and friends as we celebrate the new year at the end of the week. In the first part of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make homemade blinis, and if you've never tasted or heard of these, they're similar to a pancake, and in the UK, we like to serve them with smoked salmon. In today's video, I'm also going to be sharing with you how to make individual mini terrines, and I'm going to be using a soju glass as my mold, some cucumber rolls, and some wraps, or another name for these are pinwheels, and we're going to be using some tortilla for that. And I hope you enjoyed today's recipes. Let's get making.
Blinis, I believe, have their origins in Russia, and traditionally these mini pancakes are made with yeast. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy alternate way how to make them. Into your bowl, measure out some flour, then add an egg, some salt, oil, and some baking powder, which we're going to use instead of the traditional yeast. Last of all, add some milk, then mix the ingredients well together. If you're new to the channel, may I say welcome. All of the measurements and ingredients used in each recipe can be found in the description below each video. Once everything is mixed, you're looking for a batter mixture that's quite thick but pourable. Next, drizzle a little oil into a large non-stick pan, and this will allow you to cook about 5 Blinny pancakes at a time. Pour about a tablespoon of batter for the perfect size blinis. They'll cook in exactly the same way as cooking pancakes, and if you like eating pancakes, then I have a few different pancake recipes on the channel you might be interested in. A Dutch baby, which is a great dessert, some American pancakes perfect for a breakfast or brunch, English pancakes otherwise known as crepes, and some healthy banana cinnamon oatmeal pancakes. These really don't take long to cook. As soon as you see air bubbles appear on top of your Blinny pancake, flip them over. A quick tip is to place your batter into the pan in a clockwise direction. This will not only help you flip them over, but take them out of your pan in order. Once your Blinny pancake is cooked, leave them to cool on a rack and continue this same procedure then until all of your batter is used up. You can store these pancakes in an airtight container, and they also store really well in your freezer. First, we will prepare our smoked salmon terrine so that it has time to rest in the fridge before serving. It's best to leave it overnight, so this is a great dish to do the night before, but for today we'll leave it for about an hour. Cut the spring onions, you could also use chives, then dice up some cucumber. For anyone in Korea, you can get these smaller packs of smoked salmon from E-Mart. Take one slice, dice it up, and place it into a bowl. You could also use some cooked fresh salmon or some cooked salmon from a tin. I think these smaller individual terrines look amazing when you serve them up. In Korea, I use a soju glass, but you could also use an egg cup. Line the inside with some plastic wrap, as this will make it easier to remove when you're ready to serve. Next, into the bowl of salmon we just cut up, I add a spoon of Philadelphia cheese, some cucumber, spring onions, and season with some ground black pepper. If you can get your hands on some fresh dill, it will elevate the flavours, but dry dill will also work just as well. Fill your molds with smoked salmon, and I have found cutting the salmon into strips works best. Then fill with the smoked salmon cream cheese and fold the excess smoked salmon back over so that it forms a sealed pocket of deliciousness. Cover with the cling film and then refrigerate until you're ready to serve. Next, we'll prepare the cucumber rolls. I love the freshness of cucumber and the contrast of colour these rolls have. Into a bowl, add your cream cheese, cucumber, spring onions, and some lemon zest, then season with some ground black pepper and some fresh cut up dill. I don't know about you, but using a Madeleine slicer always frightens me, so I like to use a flat vegetable peeler to cut thin slices off the cucumber. Once you've cut up several slices, place them onto some kitchen towel, then pat them dry with some more kitchen towel. I repeat this a second time to make sure that all excess water is removed from the cucumber. For the final step, cut and place a strip of smoked salmon onto the cucumber, then add a layer of cream cheese mix and gently roll up and then place onto your serving dish. For our third smoked salmon starter idea, you can use any kind of tortilla wrap. I heat it in the pan for a few seconds just to make it softer and easier to roll, then add a layer of salmon and some of that cream cheese filling left over from the previous starter prep. I season with a little more ground black pepper and then roll it up and place it into some plastic wrap and then pop it into the fridge until we're ready to serve. Just like our first starter we prepared earlier, the smoked salmon terrine, this can be prepared the night before. For our final starter, our smoked salmon blinis, we're going to prepare a little bit of a different flavour that really goes well with salmon. Horseradish has a very strong flavour similar to wasabi, and it pairs really well with smoked salmon. So into a bowl, place some horseradish. I like to use plain yogurt, but you could also use creme fraiche or Greek yogurt. Add some lemon juice and season with some ground black pepper. Since I'm serving the starters at Christmas, I make a quick edible cucumber and carrot Christmas tree decoration. They're simple to make and they just make the dish extra special. If you've never made these, then let me quickly show you. Slice up your cucumber. I like to leave the skin on for the contrast of green. Cut a large wedge of carrot for the base and then a smaller piece for the star. Then, using a wooden skewer, carefully fold the cucumber onto the skewer with larger folds at the bottom getting smaller. You can normally get about 4 folds. To finish off, place your star on top that you cut out of from the carrot. If you're looking for another decorative idea for Christmas, then sometimes I'll arrange my salad into a Christmas wreath shape and then place my salmon wraps or pinwheels into the salad. The blinis are simple to prepare and I will often quickly heat them up in a pan before serving. Place some of our seasoned horseradish yogurt on the base and then cover them with smoked salmon. Sometimes I'll add an additional drizzle of horseradish yogurt over the top of the smoked salmon. To finish, add some dill, some spring onions and don't forget some ground black pepper. All that's left to do before serving is to remove your terrines from the mould and to carefully cut up your smoked salmon wraps. So here we have 4 different ways to serve smoked salmon with some lemon on the side. Serve them as finger foods or alongside a fresh green salad. However you choose to serve them, I know that not only are you going to have fun preparing these, but your family and friends will love eating them. May I again wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you in 2021 for some more delicious and easy recipes. God bless. Chop och ham det där.